lots of little snippets from the exhibition. Follow me as we go along. I've made a beeline to the Makita stand, and straight away I've seen two bargains. One I've already got, 99 quid for the impact driver, and I'm over the moon with my experience of this. And the second is this for £89, which is the drill and the multi-tool. Now, if that isn't a bargain at £89, I don't know what is. And my cameraman is so excited, he's going to buy both. Okay, so that was the Makita stand.
Go again.
And now we're going to visit the Bosch stand and see what we can see here. First of all, I've seen a quite nice 12-volt little planer. Might be interested in that. Let's have a look. And neat little tool, really useful, but looked a bit expensive for me today. I might look on the internet to see how it goes. But what we have seen is a new innovation coming from Bosch, which I thought was quite interesting. It's going to work like this. How easy is that to change a blade? And when you want to change it again, just click it out. And there's a variety of tools, and Bosch are going to be introducing this in battery and mains power, and they're going to license it to various manufacturers, a bit like the Starrett system on multi-tools. So this system will become more widely available. That's quite interesting, I thought. It's not here yet, don't know what it's going to cost, but it looks interesting. So I'm wearing the Dewault colours, and I'm here on the Dewault stand, but Dewault isn't my favourite. Not got anything other than my track saw, which I'm happy enough with. So I don't think I'll be buying anything from Dewault today. So part of, it seems, the Dewault Irwin is the stand. You remember last year I bought these horses. They seemed to be bigger than this. They were 20 quid, but I have to say they've not stood up to any kind of service. The stretcher at the bottom breaks, and it's very easy to trap your fingers. So I won't be buying those again. Let's go and have a look at another stand. Here we are on the ox stand. Ox is a sort of appeared from nowhere at one particular point, and at one particular time it was relatively cost effective. Lots of their product now is good, but not necessarily price attractive anymore. So I haven't got any ox product. This is the Starrett stand. At another exhibition, I bought some of their jigsaw blades, and the brilliant thing about it was that they go through metal and wood, and they really do, and maintain their sharpness. I had the occasion of going through a worktop with the eye bolts in, and it comes straight through the worktop and the eye bolt. Surprised the guy I was working with. Brilliant, brilliant. Use it all the time. Lovely Starrett. We're on the Faithful stand, and first purchase of the day, a whole £4.80 worth. It's a block. It's called a block frame, but what this is going to be used is for smoothing plastic. Had one before, can't find it, need it now. £4.80 is a no-brainer. That's on the Faithful stand. We're on the Evolution stand now, and I'm a big fan of Evolution, and I've got this saw, and it's now got the ability to be connected to the track system. This one's got a two-hand rail. They're 700 millimeters, which means connecting together you can do an 8-foot sheet across its width. On the other side we've got a 110 volt version and 300 tracks that click together. As a track tool, I think it's got a good price point, and I do like Evolution with its cutting tool. In my view, this is the 1.4 track. We can get two for the pair, and that's 2.8, which means you can do 8x4 sheet at £59. That beats all in competition. Right, back in the car. Great show, the FFX show. We had a really good time. Here's some of the purchases here, looking good, and a couple of little odds and ends that we bought. But the most important purchase of the day was this, the rasp for plasterboard. It's going to be very useful. Thank you again. Watch it with Brian. And don't forget, subscribe. We're on Instagram and Twitter. And if you've got any comments, we're very pleased to hear from you.